Hello, Wednesday, hump day, getting closer. Hey, how you going past there? Don't need you yet. Yep, getting closer. Don't think you guys, if the shop blaster is technically booked for this Friday, but whether I've got time to do the video and then upload it, yeah, so you might have to catch the sandblaster the week after. But I'll let you know. I'll do a few tweets and pictures on Facebook if that happens. So anyway, still got a lot to do up. I've got to do a lot of clearing up, I think. And I'm thinking of getting some plastic sheets as well, just to sort of try and keep the dust off the dust that I've got. Wouldn't want to make it any dirtier, do we? But anyway, I'm going to also turn the car around as well. I'm going to put it back on the spit how it was originally. Yeah, I've forgotten I've put it onto the rear pallet. Why did we put it on the pallet, guys? Back end's on the pallet, I can't remember why. No, forgot it. Anyway, yeah. So a bit more time now, so we can actually do a bit of grinding on this A panel, get that down a bit flush. Obviously, when we get the sandblaster in, we'll epoxy prime it, hopefully, and then we can still do some welding after that if needed, and we can just epoxy prime all those little areas. So just because we've had it sandblasted doesn't mean we can't do any more welding on it. So yeah, I've got the other radius arm to clear, and then we've got still the subframe just to get the last mounts off the subframe. And also we need to pop down Jimbo's / his mate now to get the wheels, tyres off the 10-inch wheels, which we need to sort out as well. So anyway, let's get on, grind a bit of A panel and strip some parts. I'll do for a first pass, we get the smaller Dremel, and get some other soft pads and such in there to get some to the other area, and a slight coating of filler. Well, I've just ordered, just before this video started, I've ordered all that paint, so I'm going with a paint product or paint supplier called HP Body. They make a lot of paints and underseals and primers and sealants. So that's what I'm going with, and I'm getting all the stuff via Auto Paint Brighton, and I'll give you some more links to that sort of stuff when it all turns up. They've been very helpful, and I'm just doing it all online basically, and yeah, all mail order, even though it's not too far, Brighton, but convenient sometimes, isn't it? And time off work and things to go get things. So anyway, when that turns up in a few days, we'll run through it and see what I've got, see what I haven't bought, and then we can get all the paint experts out in the world. No offence to the paint experts, but they all do. It seems to have the biggest opinion poll that when you paint a car or show you how to paint. I'm not going to show you how to paint. I'm just going to show you how I paint. And yeah, everyone has their opinion on paint. It's the biggest commenter out there. That one. I'm not saying any of you guys are wrong. I'm definitely not saying I'm right. Anyway, let's strip a radius on now. Border grinding. I see my crotch there, nearly stripped. Just to notice the difference, although I don't think it is a difference. I think it's where someone's modified it or they've done it to get into it. We've got the adjuster. Where's the adjuster gone? There's the adjuster. Screws in, boo 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 boo. I think you can see there's like another backing plate that's sort of spot welded onto the main back plate. I think this gets screwed in first. I guess it gets screwed in from the other side actually, so that's what's happened. It normally gets screwed in from the inside and up. You can see this, someone's chopped this bit of a tabbing off, you know, which is a bit of a support, and also I suppose stops you winding it completely out. So yeah, someone's obviously cut it off, I guess, to try and get to this, to try and clean it out, maybe fit a new one without taking all the drums off. I don't know what they've done. But anyway, yeah, so you should be able to just wind it through and out the other side. That should work. Anyway, so that's that. Just got a brake pipe fitting just to cut off. And then we're done, all cleaned up. Well, not cleaned up, but they'll all be cleaned up during the shot blasting process. And then I don't know, I'm not too sure if we'll see. I'm not too sure whether we're etch priming or anything. I think we're just going to go with the Por 15 stuff. It's got some pre-treatment, pre-metal, I don't know, you know, it's designed not to be primed, so we should just follow their instructions and give it a go, I think, with all this stuff. So it'll all be gloss black. Gonna call it. It's getting warm. Making an almighty mess, as you can tell. Can't wait to start bolting some of this stuff back to the car. So yeah, still my original, my current plan is we get it rolling and we get it over to the unit to do final paint and prep. We'll just get it in epoxy primer and we'll just underdo the underside with tintable stone guard. But there, that'll all be good fun. So yeah, we've just got the cones to do and just that one hub nut to be done, and we're pretty much there on the bits. Okay, we've got the rear subframe to still do, haven't we? But yeah, hopefully that shouldn't take too long. I'll get a bit of penetrating on that tonight just to get that soaking, and we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, sorry about that, now we're just dropping in. So yeah, got to strip the rear subframe down. Boop, boop, boop. So we get a bit of penetrating oil. It's always good asking the wife to go down to the car shop and order you up some penetrating oil. So that tells you if you've got a good wife or not, that will go do that or not. So anyway, yeah, we'll strip that down hopefully with the old gun tomorrow. And yeah, alright, I don't know if it was a highly successful video, but yeah, we really need to tidy up before the end of the week. And I'm just on a bit of Kronenberg, see if Kronenberg will sponsor me now as well. Mostly not. And I've got some blue gloves this time and I'm not liking them. Not liking them at all. Oh, sweat. Alright, cheers guys. Chicken fajitas for tea. I think I have that quite often, but you can't beat chicken fajitas, can you? It's my favourite. Alright, cheers.